Hi, one more time, it's me. I just wanted to say this is definitely a last but not least sort of thing, but I wanted to walk to one of my favorite areas where I live. I live in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and we live right near a park, a really gorgeous tree park. And I wanted to show you what the park looked like, but I guess I'm just going to have to circle around a little bit because I can't switch the camera view. But this is the park. I come here as often as I can. I try to get as much energy as I can from these trees. I'm trying to learn how to get energy from other organisms, not just people. I find trees to be extremely relaxing. And when I'm depressed, nothing picks me up quite as much as coming to this place. I just love this park. I'm just going to do a quick shoot around so you can see everything I'm looking at, hopefully. This is just a very pretty park that they put here. People sometimes have weddings here. There's also an art gallery nearby. I find this place very relaxing. There are animals that come by the park. We actually have wild rabbits here, which I didn't realize until I'd been living here for a long time, actually. I hadn't seen one for a while. Thought it was a squirrel. Wild bunnies are tiny. But anyway, I'm going to shut up for now. I'm going to just include this on the channel, but I did just want to show you guys the gorgeous tree park that I live near. Take care. Cheers.